Good morning. Sorry that on Friday I could not telecast any news to you except forwarding the meeting in which I have participated, wherein our Governor Ravi addressed the meeting after conferring the degrees on the students who secured their degrees and master degrees undergone Madras University. That area I will come later on, and today also due to rain I could not, though I have find out a judgment which I want to share with you, but I could not do it in time. See, this judgment is also most important for all of you because whenever partition suits are being filed, in respect of the property, the land of that particular property may not be owned by the plaintiff because of either it may be assigned land or some leasehold right. So many things are there. Under that circumstances, if the partition suit is claimed, you have to value the suit market value of the land and plus superstructure. So the question arises whether market value of the land, how to be calculated if the land is not belonging to the plaintiff. See, the judgment AR 2023 Chhattisgarh 41 Dharamjit Singh versus Lakan, son of late Ram Sundar Singh. In case the plaintiff was directed to, though he paid court fees after multiplying the land revenue being paid by him, multiplied by 20 years annual rent. That was not accepted. They want the cost of the land. Therefore, they went to Chhattisgarh High Court. The High Court has verdicted stating that since the land is belonging to government paying revenue, land revenue, they have to pay a court fee by multiplying the principles of 20. Then section, they have their own section. 7 of the Court Fees and Court Fees Act, 7(5)(a) of the respective Court Fees Act, Madhya Pradesh Court Fees Act. Therein they have to the revenue or land revenue is payable in respect of such land 20 times the land revenue so assessed or so payable. That should be the value of the land. Therefore, the court fee should be paid not on ad valorem value of the entire cost of the land. This is most important whenever you file suits for partition other or injunction other things. If suppose if you are having land on government land without even paying any revenue or other things, you can value the suit as per property tax. You have to normally property tax are being assessed half yearly value tax. That tax should be added to the year value, and there in assessment tax receipt annual rental value will be there. If the property tax is assessed, that should be multiplied by 20 times. Then that will be the ad valorem value of the under that way the court fees are being paid. So this area should be concentrated if you are really interested in filing civil suits. I hope you understand. You take the judgment on file and record so that there are multiple number of cases in respect of the same concept in Tamil Nadu Court Fees and Suit Valuation Act also. Whenever that judgment comes to my site, I will share with you. Now, what the governor addressed the public. I have 2 grievances. So far, Madras University is recently the Madras University conducted a convocation function at Bharatiyar Government College, and as well as now N.R. Dalabal conducted this case. So we are summoned, not invited, we are summoned to participate in the meeting on behalf of our children at early morning 8:30. From early morning 8:30 we are left free at 12 p.m., 12 noon, without even proper drinking facilities, food facilities, so medical facilities. After all, the parents forget about me and my the other parents. But there may be several parents who may be sick. But unfortunately, taking advantage of the huge gathering, the governor was incited and lured to address the meeting as if the people could understand what he want to speak and deliver his knowledgeable command over the public. According to me, he was just reminding the events and happenings about Corona period, so many things, India's achievement, all those things. But actually, he is addressing the young graduates who obtained their degrees. He ought to have stated and reminded them how because this is the order of the day, the parents of the parents of the graduates are ignored after the children or graduates attaining a zenith or having substantial income. Say you would have addressed and advised them that they should concentrate on the welfare of the parents. And unfortunately, the English address by the governor was not translated to the common public. All the public, particularly since this meeting was held at Patabiram, a backward area comprised of village people, not even understand single word or expression of the governor. It is not fault of the governor, but the fault of the governor was that he addressed the public irrelevantly, giving some speech. Unfortunately, happens to be a RSS man. RSS man normally used to speak as they are trained. I request them come out of that mind and try to mingle with the public and address the people what they require, what was their need, and what was the population which present before him when he was addressing. Whatever it may be, all the universities may address all respective colleges whenever they convene the meeting or convocation proceedings or convocation functions. They should be very careful to facilitate the parents, particularly aged parents, to have their drinking water facilities, latrine and urinating facilities particularly, and apart from that membedical facilities must also be there, because you are confining them for hours together, more than 5 hours. This is atrocious and inhuman. I hope any one of my followers could understand and address if the universities to give suitable direction to the respective colleges who all are conducting convocation proceedings. Otherwise, let the convocation be also in absentia. It's very easy. For that, every student was supposed to pay 2,000 rupees per head, and near about 800 plus candidates participated in the meeting, and they were not even given proper facility. Parents were humiliated and subjected to cruelty also, and subjected to so many ailment and insufficient civic facility. I hope all of the followers, honorable public interest litigants, socially welfare advocates may address this issue to the respect, because now we have suffered it is, we are not going to suffer again and again, but let us alert the society as well as the university and the administration and the government that this humiliation and inhuman confinement of the parents in the name of convocation functions be not violate the human rights guidelines given by the international organization. Best wishes.